Okay, good. Hello everyone. I'm back. I know it's been a bit since I made another video, or actually, it's been a long time since I've even made a video about Roblox, and I'm here, and I've known this game, and I'm very experienced with this game. It's Noobs in Combat. I'm pretty sure you already know about that because of the videos on YouTube. But anyways, let's just get over it. So as you can see, I'm very experienced with this game. I already have heavy tank, armored car, multi-H tank, and all those other stuff. But I want to try something. I want to try to beat one random level with only the tier 1 guys. Oh, rifle. So what I'm attempting here is to use all my units at their lowest stage. We're not going to be including the Navy too. Alright, let's go. Let's choose a random level. Let's try Guest War. No, how about Guest Rebellion? Guest War. Now, I'm going to try this on my own. Yeah. Alright, now we're in the game. Alright. It's time to do my normal strategy. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry if I have a lot of ticks. Because that would be technically cheating. So sorry. So I'm going to use some basic units. I always do this. I always do that because there's always a guy over there. Go horsey. Now I won't be needing. Okay, so when we capture the supply depot, this medium tank won't be of much use because yeah, I can just use my grunts. And of course, there's some enemies. Now this is my first time ever using rifleman again. Oh, not go. They can't. I'm just spamming out rifleman. Actually, we're gonna do 3 random levels in this video. One of my riflemen is about to die. Oh wait, he's actually at me. Oh, them. They just keep running away. Not for long. I probably should have used the tank yet to make this more fair, but yeah, I already made that mistake and I cannot fix it. Right. Let me send some riflemen over there. I'll have some of my forces over here. Yeah. Oh. Not if I capture at the supply depot and kill you. Yeah. Alright. These two are pretty much just useless. Oh wait, actually. Yeah, I could still use the supply wagon to supply my guys. Let's go. I did that on purpose. I already knew that those guys were going to be there. Nope. and they retreated. And this video will be split into 3 parts. Whoa. I gotta do something for... Sorry, I had to go somewhere. Oh, looks like we do actually have a tank. Wait, I forgot to get that supply depot. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a bit. Yeah, this will take a bit. Okay. There's all my riflemen. Oh. Tank down at the gas. Good. And I captured the supply depot. Why did I say deport? Time to shoot this guy. 6 times. Doing no damage. Oh, that was a critical mistake. Bye bye. What the? Huh. That guy is actually a tank. Oh wait, has he? What? Whoa. Alright. My riflemen are still here. Time to do the first guy. Nope, I am not letting him escape. Yeah, this guy ran out of ammo. Yep, I know where he is. Yep, he's gone. And I won. I hope you guys like this video. It's going to be the first of this challenge. So yeah, bye.